come alive. Dusty roads where dreams survive. Quarter moon and fire in my eyes, chasing stardust skies on the rise. Neon bar signs flicker left and right. Cowboy boots and flashing lights. Guitar strings hum in the night. Endless dance under the pale moonlight. Ride the whirlwind, hold on tight. Stars ignite our wild flight. Lonely whistle of the train at night. In this midnight rodeo we take flight. Electric thunder, hearts beat fast. Through the storm we're built to last. Whispers of the past echo sweet. In this wild rhythm we find our beat. Hitch a ride on dreams that soar. Whispers call from distant shore. City roars in the rearview mirror. Country roads draw us nearer.